there was too much, but we're gonna go back, okay? There you go. Sorry. See? Lack of purpose for yourself. Beginning of the show.
It's coming down like drinking soda.
We're getting some more.
Hot gone, Eddie. It's all burned up. Are you sure? Right up the chimney. God damn, so relieved. We're home free, Frank. We got it made. You saved our ass, buddy boy. And I owe you one.
What's going to happen next in the movie? Look what's going to happen to Freddy and Frank.
All right,
we're
let's
about to
get back
leave.
to that
See?
warehouse, clean up the mess, and get the hell out of there. What do you say, Frank?
Okay, just give me a second to rest, catch my breath, then we'll do it, okay?
Yeah, Frank, I don't know about you, but I'm really sick.
What? What's wrong, Fred?
I feel like hell is what's wrong. I'm really sick.
I'm sick too, Bert. Sick? Like how?
I feel like my head's gonna bust wide open. And I want to puke. And I'm weak too.
Me too. I got the chills. It's that stuff, Bert. That goddamn stuff we breathe.
What stuff? What are you talking about, Frank? When that canister cracked, this gas squirted out, it hit us right in the face. We breathed it. It knocked us out. We were out cold unconscious for a while.
Oh, Christ.
Shouldn't we get to a doctor or something like that?
Yeah, Bert, I need a doctor.
I'm getting the car and taking these guys to the emergency ward right now. Let's go.
Uh-oh, look what's going to happen. It's so dramatic. See, sick. I shouldn't have done this, but whatever. Shit. See, they're gonna. Well, they don't feel, but see, the self's gonna make them into zombies. I'm giving that hint. At some point. It was creepy, I know. Right. It should just. I did this. So cute, like he did at the beginning with part 1 here.
Funeral Home at 21702 East Central. We'll tell him to come around the back to the embalming room. Poisoning. We have 2 men poisoned here.
Okay.
Well, no, we don't know what kind of poison. Right. Thank you very much. Bye. Bert, they're on the way.
Okay, good. Alright. I'm done with this scene.
Hurry, go, no,
Bye.